Keeping a clean house can often feel like a failed effort. All things considered, there are many surfaces in your home, and every one of them draws various types of wrecks. Some people can't rest until they've sorted out some way to vanquish the dirt in every corner of their homes. So in today's video, we will be unveiling the cleaning hacks that will show you how to clean better and faster. Make sure you watch till the end, because number one will blow you away. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on new videos. And first on the list is 1. Clean your sink with a lemon. Stop using a sponge to clean your sink. If you want to achieve a lemony fresh, sparkling sink, all you need to do is take half a leftover lemon and apply a drop of liquid soap. Scrub as you would normally with a sponge, then wash clean with water to reveal a spotless shine. 2. Add ice cubes to your dryer. Regular housekeeping buffs know a few laundry hacks, like how to effortlessly steam your clothes, simply by adding a couple of ice cubes to your tumble dryer's drum 10 minutes before the end of the cycle. This leads to crease-free clothing without the effort of ironing. 3. Clean a dirty keyboard with cotton buds. If you're looking for a keyboard cleaning hack, cotton buds make excellent mini dusters. One study by the University of Arizona found that the typical hard-working home office desk could be home to around 10 million bacteria. Office experts from Furniture at Work share the best way to tackle keyboard germs. For a thoroughly clean, shut down your laptop or computer and unplug the keyboard. Shake it gently over a bin to eliminate crumbs and debris. Follow this by rubbing cotton swabs soaked with alcohol to clean between the keys. Finally, do a surface clean with a damp disinfectant wipe. 4. Remove pet hair with sport socks. If you've misplaced the lint roller, fear not. Reach for a pair of sport socks to tackle pet hair instead. Athletes will be familiar with the type. They're typically made of nylon and elastane. In response to friction, the material creates static energy, which helps hair stick to the sock. Simply pop them on your hands inside out and wipe over a sofa with a lot of pet hair. To make it even more effective, you can slightly dampen the sock to catch more fur. 5. Lemon oven cleaning hack. Looking for a non-chemical option to leave your oven sparkling? Try heating a bowl of water and a little lemon juice. This is a pretty straightforward hack. Simply put the lemon juice and water in a heat-proof oven dish and heat at 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 minutes. Then, once your oven is cool, wipe the interior down with a cloth and the leftover lemon water. 6. Clean the toilet with shaving foam. Would you believe that shaving foam has many more uses than just getting rid of hair? It's an ideal substitute if you're running low on cleaning products. Just smear a good layer of foam all over the pan and around the basin and leave for 10 minutes. The foam will banish odors and stains. You can spray the foam onto a toilet brush for easy application. And it's a wrap, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new videos.